Let's learn drawing basic structure in chemistry. Example S2SO4. Learn few basic ideas. First idea, take basic structure such as S2SO4. Count number of hydrogen in it. Mark central atom. See how many oxygen are there. Oxygen atoms are there. Now S2SO4 can be broken as 2H plus SO4 2 minus. It means there is 2 hydrogen attached with oxygen. 2 hydrogen is attached with oxygen. Remaining oxygen will have double bond. Double bond with sulfur, the central atom. Let's draw the structure. Take S2SO4. It can be broken as 2H plus SO4 2 minus. It means the basic structure of S2SO4 will be, take sulfur as a central atom. Now 2 hydrogen will be attached with 2 oxygen. So simply attach oxygen and hydrogen with sulfur, then another part OH. Now the remaining 2 oxygen will have double bond with oxygen. So it will have double bond with oxygen. So the basic learning is, first count number of hydrogen, then the remaining oxygen will have double bond with central atom. Now this is the basic structure. With the help of this, other sulfur compound can be drawn. With the help of this basic structure, other sulfur compound can be drawn. General idea, sulfur will have 2 double bond with oxygen. Example, take S2SO3. This is sulfuric acid. This is sulfurous acid or sulfurous acid. Now the basic idea is there will be 2 double bond with sulfur connecting with oxygen. So firstly we have to draw 2 double bond connected with sulfur. Now there are 2 hydrogen and there is only 1 oxygen. So 1 oxygen will be engaged with hydrogen and other will be left as it is. This is how we draw the structure. Now other structure can be drawn as, suppose if we have to draw oleum. We have to draw oleum and it is H2S2O7. Now for this we have to take two sulfuric acid compound. Take it as HO, H double bond O, draw the basic structure, plus HO, H double bond O, OH. Now take out S2O. Now take out S2O. Now when S2 will be taken out, it will be HO, H double bond O. It will be oxygen is left, so it will be oxygen. It will be H double bond O, OH. Now count the number of hydrogen. There is 2 hydrogen. Sulfur is 2. Count number of oxygen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will be H2H2O7. This is also known as Carrot acid. So this is your oleum compound. From this oleum only we get H2SO4 sulfuric acid and then sulfur trioxide. Now another compound of sulfur is H2S2O8, that is Marshall's acid. Now for this we have to take two basic sulfuric acid. So H double bond O, take same compound, now take out hydrogen from here. So it will be HO, H double bond O, H double bond O. When minus S2 is taken out, OS. So it will be H2S2O8. This is also known as peroxo disulfuric acid. And we can say S2S2O7 is known as pyro disulfuric acid or pyrosulfuric acid. Pyrosulfuric acid can be said. So this is how we draw the structure of sulfur compound. Now the next term is compounds of phosphorus. Compounds of phosphorus. For this we have to take basic structure of phosphoric acid, that is orthophosphoric acid, which will be as 3PO4. Now it can be ionized as 3H plus PO4 3 minus. Here phosphate has 3 hydrogen, so 3 oxygen will be engaged with 3 hydrogen and there will be 1 double bond. So 3 hydrogen is engaged with 3 oxygen. It means 1 oxygen will have double bond with phosphorus. So we can say that draw phosphorus, take double bond with this. Now other will be engaged with oxygen and hydrogen. So this will be like this. In this way, orthophosphoric acid or phosphoric acid can be drawn. This is phosphoric acid or orthophosphoric acid. From this basic structure that phosphorus will have 1 double bond, we can draw other compounds of phosphorus such as S3PO3. Now there will be 1 double bond, this is orthophosphorus acid. Orthophosphorus acid. 1 double bond will be there and other will be engaged like this. Now how many oxygen there? 2 oxygen is left, and there is 3 hydrogen, so 2 oxygen will be engaged with hydrogen, and one will be like this only. So hydrogen will be directly attached with phosphorus. Other compounds are also there, so which can be drawn as, that is S3PO2. So we know the basic rule: phosphorus will be attached with one double bond, so other will be attached at one OH. Now other will be directly attached as H only. Now other basic structure can be drawn as, if you take 2 phosphorus, suppose if you take 2 phosphorus, suppose S3PO3 plus S3PO3, then what will happen? So we can take P double bond O, OH, OH, and take OH. Same compound can be drawn over here. It will be HO, P double bond O, OH, and OH. Now if you remove H2O, then we'll get P double bond O, OH, OH. It will be oxygen, P double bond O, OH, and OH. Now if we count, there is 4 hydrogen, H4, P is 2, and number of oxygen is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will be O7. This compound is known as pyrophosphoric acid or pyro-diphosphoric acid. In this way, we can also draw orthophosphoric acid. Now orthophosphoric acid can be drawn as, which will be H4P2O8. Now we have to draw this structure. We'll be taking a same compound as P double bond O, OH, OH. Take OH over here, then same compound over here, OH, OH, OH. And we'll be taking out minus H2. We'll get P double bond O, OO, double bond OH, 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 and OH. This group shows peroxo group. So this will be peroxophosphoric acid or peroxo-diphosphoric acid. In this way, we can draw the structure of sulfur compound and phosphorus compound. So just learn the basic thing, that phosphorus will contain one double bond with oxygen, while sulfur will contain 2 double bond with oxygen. This is the basic trick to learn or draw the compounds. That's it for today. Thank you.